Clinic. How can I help you?
Hello, I'm calling from abroad. I would like to schedule an appointment for hair transplantation at your clinic, and I have a few questions. Could you tell me a little about PHAEYDE Clinic?
I'd be happy to. Let me introduce you to our establishment. Hungary is a country located in the heart of Europe. Its capital is Budapest. Our country has been known for dentistry tourism for years, but an increasing number of people are coming to Hungary for hair transplantation services as well. They do not have to travel to another continent. We are close by and provide excellent service at a reasonable price. We have had people from Great Britain, Germany and Sweden reach out to us. I am proud to say we have had clients from all over Europe, with the exception of Portugal and Monaco. Our clients usually choose us because of the great value we provide them for their money, and the quality of the hair implantation procedure is the most important thing to them. Naturally, there are cheaper solutions in Africa or Asia, but our client want to stick to the European Union for their hair transplantation procedure. PHAEYDE Clinic is Hungary's largest and most modern hair transplantation center. We use the most state-of-the-art techniques and tools of the highest quality. Our doctors are regularly educating themselves on and learning the most modern hair transplantation methods. They have exceptionally high levels of experience. Our doctors are among the Central European specialists, who have performed the most procedures with 20+ years of combined experience behind them. We work with world-class equipment, and we are the only hair transplantation clinic where you can choose from 3 different types of hair transplantation procedures. The procedures are almost completely pain-free as we work with the thinnest needle available in Europe, which means the patient's scalp will heal faster. We should also mention that at our clinic, only doctors experienced with hair transplantation perform the procedures. So at our clinic, your transplantation will not be performed by a nurse. We guarantee the work of an experienced expert.
If I come from abroad to get the 2-day procedure, can you recommend me a good place to stay?
Of course we can. We will book you a hotel room near the clinic. However, if you would like to spend the night in the downtown, no problem, as we are only 2.5 kilometers from the city center. Our fees of service usually include accommodations. But check with our colleagues discussing your procedure.
Can I have a family member accompany me to my hair transplantation?
You can bring a family member, but they will have to stay in the waiting room or go out to eat at a restaurant or do some sightseeing. They cannot be in the room with you during the procedure.
How soon can I go home?
You will be able to go on the day of the procedure. The S01E09 implantation method, developed at our clinic, and the recipient of the 2013 Product of the Year award, is minimally invasive and heals very quickly, so there is no need for follow-up examinations beyond a few days. However, we will remain available to our patients via WhatsApp or Viber.
What is the Product of the Year?
It was first given in 1986 in France, and has since become the most significant prize for innovative products and services. Today, more than 30 countries take part, and it is considered to be a prestigious award all over the world, as it is only received by world-class products. The consumers themselves choose the winners via a 2,000-person survey. PHAEYDE Clinic won in the healthcare category in 2013 with our S01E hair implantation method, and the transplantation needles used for the procedure. The logo we won makes it easier for clients to choose from the different services available, as this award is a guarantee of credibility and quality.
Sounds great. Thank you for all the information.
Thank you for your call. We hope to see you soon at PHAEYDE Clinic. Thank you for tuning in to the first season. If you would like to see similar content, subscribe.
Our next season will be available soon. Here we discuss all the questions you may have on the day of the transplantation procedure.
We look forward to seeing you at PHAEYDE Hair Transplantation Clinic.